Hey everyone, so this time I'm gonna talk about brake pads, or I mean squeaking noises in these brakes. I know like three main noises or squeaking noises in the disc brakes. One of them, the first one, is metallic brake pads. Metallic brake pads, uh, they sometimes make a noise, and it's just a metallic brake pad because you have a lot of power when you brake, but where you're not blocking the wheels, you can feel this squeaking noise, but you still have a lot of power, so that will be because the brake pads are metallic. The other squeaking noise is when you have a lot of noise and you don't have any power at all. That is contamination in the brake pads. The contamination in the brake pads normally is because sometimes if you're gonna lose the chain, you do it with some spray and you don't cover the brakes. So even if you do it here, it can go into the disc, the rotor, and it's gonna contaminate the whole system. So you're gonna lose all the power because the friction is gonna be completely. You're gonna eliminate the friction, so you're not gonna have any power. And the other one is sometimes on some frames in the structure, they have some problems. I recognize the Trek, the Series 3000 in Trek. They don't have like like in this part they just go from here to here. They don't have the reinforcement tube in this part, so they vibrate a lot, and the whole vibration goes into your hands, and you can feel the vibration in your arms, and it's really annoying. But for that, Trek took care of that, and you can go to Trek dealer and ask for a anti-vibration system they put in the caliper, and that's gonna be completely eliminated. These are the three main squeaking noises. Well, with the contamination, you can clean the rotors with isopropyl alcohol or some kind of a soap, but the best thing is isopropylic alcohol. And then the brake pads, if they are contaminated, the best thing to do is just change it. And if we're gonna talk about metallic brake pads and organic brake pads, they don't make a noise, but they don't have the same power. They are not gonna last the same as metallic brake pads, and in muddy conditions or water, it's not gonna have the same power. So metallic brake pads are way better if you don't mind the noise. If you have any questions, just let me know and write down. I hope you like it, and stay tuned. Goodbye.